Okay, so last time, so 2 weeks ago, nagkaroon tayo ng TLE subject. So we talk about, we discussed the meaning of, or rather, we discussed about safety and responsible use of ICT, right? Tama, tama. Let's try to, okay. Please tell me kung ano yung nakikita nyo, ha? Kung ako ba na malaki or what?
Akin ay 3.
Tatlo?
Akin po 5 na. Dati po.
That's bad. Yeah, that's quite bad kung tatlo ang nakikita nyo. So, ganito na lang, ano? Kung tatlo nakikita nyo, so I think I'll have to change na lang. Okay, how about now? Ganun pa rin?
Pwede na rin po yan. Pwede na naman po. Pwede na naman. Pwede na rin.
I mean, yung nakikita yung screen, tatlo or isa lang? What?
3 po.
Tatlo.
1, 2, 3. Isang malaki, isang maliit po, isang...
Okay, sige. Hindi kasi dapat ganun eh.
Okay na po kanina.
Okay, nag-stop muna ako na sharing of screen, okay? I stop sharing my screen para maging maayos. Inaayos ko lang, ano, para kasi kailangan makita niyo yung aking screen na ginagamit. Okay, how about now?
Isang malaki.
Isang malaki.
Okay po yan. Okay na po yan.
Okay na po.
Okay, how about
Okay na
now?
po.
Can you see me in the slide at the same time?
Wala po. Kayo lang po.
Ang panggalan na given.
I mean, yung slide ko. Yung lesson 2, nakikita yung lesson 2, safety and responsible use of ICT.
No.
No.
No. Is only one screen.
Okay. So it means it's a fail. Okay. So ganyan lang. Wala magagawa. So let's just try that one. Okay, so how about now? Can you see now the screen? Safety and responsible use of ICT. Okay. So let's proceed now. So last time we had our TLE subject. We discussed the meaning of ICT, right? So who can tell me what's the meaning of ICT? Anyone? What does ICT mean?
Community and information.
Anong community? Ba't may community dyan? It's not community.
Information, communication technology.
Okay, so konti na lang ano. So information and, merong and information and communications technology. With S ang communications, ano? So that's the meaning of ICT, information and communications technology. So it's any technology that has something to do with information and communications. Okay? So yung samples that we had last time were DVD player, television, internet, calculator, radio, wala pala yung other slides. Okay, so we also learned about media files. So media files could be photo, videos, or audio files, right? And we also tackled about safe and responsible use of ICT. Okay, can someone tell me at least one safe and responsible use of ICT? Isa sa mga tips.
Think before you click.
All right, think before you click. Yun lang naman eh. If you're going to think before you click, lahat na yon, sakop na yon. So lahat na ng mga tips na binabasa sa inyo, yun na yon. But first, I have to remove this one. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. May natakpan ko ba? Okay, so ito no. So yun nga. So think before you click. So yan na yun. And also we had discussion forum or group chat. Okay? Discussion forum or group chat is talking or communicating with a group of people in one chat box. Okay? Pinag-aralan din natin yan. And also the rules in joining discussion forum and chat. Okay, give me one rule. Tatlo yung rules. Give me at least one rule in joining discussion forum and chat. Come on. Give me one. Sige, kahit sino na. Open your mic and then go ahead. I'm giving you the chance to recite.
Make sure not to reveal your real identity.
Okay, that's one. Make sure not to reveal your real identity or to reveal important information about yourself. So that's the first, actually that's the first rule, ano? Okay, thank you, Hermione. So, Sir Hermione, nakakadalawa na. So, that's one. Make sure not to reveal your real identity. Yung pangalawa, be sure that you have a good reason why you are joining a forum or chat. Kung magjo-join kayo sa discussion forum na just for fun, mag-double think ka, di ba? Isipin mo buti kung kailangan mong mag-join ka. Kasi kung just for fun, rather not to join anymore. And third, if you are friends with some members in the forum or chat, so you have to make sure that whatever you will say has sense and will not hurt anybody. Okay, so yun yung mga pinag-aralan natin last time sa TLE. And today, we are going to talk about gathering and organizing information using ICT. Okay, so may I ask you, grade 5 students, how important is ICT in your studies? Gaano ka-importante ang ICT sa inyong pag-aaral ngayon? Is it a big help in gathering information? O baka naman wala na itutulong sa inyong ICT? Meron ba? Wala?
Meron
po.
Meron po. Sa papaanong paraan nakakatulong ang ICT sa inyo?
Pag nagre-research po.
Yan, tama, di ba? Pag nagre-research. And at the same time, just like now, di ba? We're using ICT para tayo makapagklase. Our online class is using internet. And internet is an example of ICT. Di ba? Without the internet, wala tayong ganito ngayon. Diba? We won't be able to see each other through video conference, diba? So that's one of the importance of ICT in our daily life and even in your studies, diba? Kaya malaking tulong. Kasi ICT in education improves it improves engagement. So just like how we have engagement, improves engagement and knowledge retention. So when ICT is integrated into lessons, just like what we are doing right now, students like you become more engaged in your work. And this is because technology provides different opportunities to make it more fun and enjoyable in terms of teaching the same things in different ways. Ba? We have Google Classrooms. Ginagamit natin yun. So we were able to integrate ICT into lessons. Gaya nito, yung lesson natin, ginagamitan ko ng PowerPoint. So it's an ICT. Nagagawa kong ipakita sa inyo yung lecture niyo using the ICT. Diba? So that's the integration of ICT and education. So aside from communication, one of the uses of ICT is researching. Diba? Researching or gathering of information. Sabi nga ni Yurel kanina, nakakatulong siya for researching, di ba? So today, it is easier to study and to research because almost all the data or information you need to know can be found online. Pag kayo nag-search through the internet, halos lahat ng information makikita nyo na. Kasi before, during our times, you need volumes of encyclopedia for your research. Yan, ganyan karami. Ganyan karami encyclopedia that you need para makapag-research ka. Just for a specific topic, ganyan karami yun. And you also need dictionary books. And these books are usually big, thick, and heavy for you to carry everything. Mabibigat ang mga yan, promise. And you will be able to see the school library. Meron nun we have 2 sets of encyclopedias here in the school library. Meron din tayong 3 encyclopedias na sadyang makakapal. Okay, so this is a Bible. Nakikita niyo ba yung aking camera? So ito makapal. Makapal ang makapal tong ating what's this? Tong ating Bible So usually ganyan kakapal yung encyclopedia and mas malaki pa. Ganyan. So imagine you have books, di ba? You have books in Filipino, right? So imagine niyo yung Filipino book, ganun kalaki, pero yung kapal niya is times 3 at least. So ganun kakapal ang mga encyclopedias. So imagine you need to carry something and you need to carry each of them to study to your study area, diba? From one place to another, from the library, dadalhin niyo yung books dadalhin niyo yung malalaking books na yun doon sa study area niyo. Napakalaki nun. And then you're going to look for the information that you need manually. But now, sa panahon ngayon, all of the information that can be seen from those books and yung mga encyclopedias na yan can now be seen in the internet. Yan, so meron tayong mga tinatawag na Wikipedia or the online encyclopedia. And all the information that you'll be needing, pwede na makita dyan. So what you just need to do is to open your computer and connect to the internet and search for the information that you need. Yun lang kailangan nyo gawin. Buksan nyo si computer, connect sa internet, mag-search. That's it. Makikita nyo na yung mga gusto nyo makita. But the question is, how are you going to search? Kasi in researching, you need to use different search engines. Okay? So ano ba yung pina-assignment ko sa inyo? Anyone? Assignment please.
Search engine po.
Okay, so nakasagot na si Uriel let's try now to ask James. James, please read your assignment.
Wait lang po. Kukunin ko lang po.
Yun. Of course, if you're having classes, kailangan yung notebooks yung katabi nyo kasi you need to jot down, So I'm having my water right now. Nakakauhaw, nakakatuyo ng laway. Sana medyo marami yung ating ma-discuss today, Kaya lang, nakakaubos ng oras yung ganyan. Okay, let's try Angel habang nintay na si James. Angel first. Please read your assignment.
A search engine is a software program that helps people find their information. They are looking for online using keywords or phrases. Search engines are able to return results quickly even with millions of websites online by scanning the internet consciously and indexing every page they find.
All right. Do you have any examples?
Wala po.
O wala. Okay, sige. That's fine. Okay, how about James? Let me hear your assignment. Tama naman, ano? Tama yung kay yung maraming result, ano? Makakapagbigay agad ng napakaraming result ang search engines. Millions agad na pwede niyang ibigay sa atin in just a snap of time. Okay, James, your turn.
A search engine is a software program that helps people find the information they are looking for online using keywords or pages ba yun?
Sulat mo ba yan?
Opo. Ba yun? Pages.
Okay,
Sir
go ahead.
Yman,
Yes, Iriel.
kung pwede daw po bumaba, sabi ni Mateo, yung speaker niya daw po walang narinig.
Kung pwede raw, ano?
Kung pwede daw kayo bumaba.
Ito na, on the way na si Mateo. Pasok na. Okay, thank you, James. Ano? Okay na naman. You have the same. You have the same text, Angel. Okay, so here in our lecture, so a search engine is a program. Tama. It is a software, a program in a computer wherein you will put the keywords or words of the information you want to know. So para makapag-search kayo, nakatype tayo ng keywords. Ano? Okay, so examples of search engine are Google, Yahoo, Google Chrome, Bing, Mozilla Firefox, and other famous engines like Baidu, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, and many more. So yan yung mga examples natin ng mga search engines. And I hope you guys are writing it down. Yung iba dyan ay wala sa inyong lectures. So those are examples of search engines na ginagamit. Pero mostly tayo sa Pilipinas, ang ginagamit natin ay Google Chrome, Yahoo, at Mozilla Firefox. And yung gumagamit siyempre ng mga Windows, ang meron kayo ay Microsoft Edge. Yan, so wala lang akong icon ng Microsoft Edge dito. But Microsoft Edge, pwede rin gumamit din ng iba-iba, no? So those are the most, siguro sa panahon ngayon, year 2021, these are the most famous search engines. And so you need to type the main words or the keywords of the topic of thing you want to know about to be able to get the accurate result. Okay. So let's say you're going to use Google. So pag gumamit kayo ng Google, so there's a search bar right in the middle of the search engine. So doon kayo magta-type ngayon. So you're going to type the keyword that you want to know or you want to search. So let's say you want to know about the meaning of ICT, ano? So there you go. So you just have to type there ICT meaning or just ICT. Pero siyempre just to make it more accurate yung result. So you I would suggest that you type also the word meaning. ICT space then meaning. Then you have to of course you have to press enter right after typing the ICT meaning words. Okay, so once you hit the enter button, Google search engine will search it for you the most possible answers and sites that that might help you find the information that you need. And also the best answers or the best searches will come first. So yan yung itsura, no, if you're going to search about ICT meaning. So all right, so before we proceed, any question about searching, about search engines? Okay, all right, so let's proceed. Right, so identifying appropriate search engine based on needed information is according to the kind of data that you want to find. Okay? So meron tayong category, ano? Or pwede natin masabi criteria. So if you want to search for documents and articles, you must use Google, Mozilla Firefox, or Google Chrome. So these search engines are not just for documents and articles, but also for images. So sabi ko kanina, kapag articles and documents, and also for images, ideal na gamitin nyo ang Google, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome. Again, for documents and articles and images, yan tatlong yan ang best search engines na gagamitin. Okay? But if you're after about the news around the world or about government leaders or celebrities, so yan, mas maganda gamitin naman ang Yahoo. Okay, so again, if you're the search engine ideal for the news around the world, government leaders or celebrities, ay Yahoo. Because it is the kind of search engine which features more of these kinds of information. Ano? If you want to search for videos, saan naman kayo pupunta? Pag videos ang kailangan nyo hanapin. Anyone?
YouTube.
YouTube, right. Yun na mismo. So, YouTube is the search engine ideal for videos. Yan. Tama. Okay, so as a netizen, what does netizen means? Anyone? Alam niyo ba kung ano ibig sabihin ng netizen? N-E-T-I-Z-E-N. Z-E-N, right? Netizen is, ibig sabihin nun is internet citizen. Okay? Yung net nakuha sa, yung net sa word na netizen nakuha sa internet. Tapos yung citizen nakuha sa citizen. So pinagsama siya, naging netizen. Internet citizen. Yan. So lahat tayo or anyone who uses internet, ang tawag ay netizen. Okay? O dagdag vocabulary yan. So again, as a netizen or internet user, you should, ito na, things to remember, you should read carefully all the information. Running out of time na. 10 minutes na. 10 minutes. So you should read carefully all the information you will find using these search engines. So nagbibigay tayo ng tips. Things to remember on using search engines. Right, so next is you need to be patient and keen in checking all the details that you found. And it is not, kasi pag nagsisearch ka kasi, if you're going to search through the internet, hindi naman sa oras na, hindi naman sa first time na nag-search ka ay yun na kagad, ano? Yun na kagad yung exact details na kailangan mo. So you need to be patient and keen sa pagbabasa ng inyong mga sa pag-search ng mga information na kailangan nyo para maging more accurate yung inyong search or research. And isa pang tip sa inyo ay don't believe all the information on the internet. Huwag agad-agad maniniwala kasi they are not 100% accurate and true. Some information has no basis and they are just piled up opinions from the people. So it is recommended to check the information on the result pages cautiously before you save any of them. Also, learn to search more deeply. So you need to try to check the other results from the next pages. So pag na-search mo na yung una, try to open up the other pages. Huwag ka muna pasisiguro sa info na nabasa mo sa unang page na nabuksan mo. Okay? So you have to check also the other pages for more options. And it will also help you if the information you will find have ratings. Okay? Pumunta tayo sa ratings ngayon. Kasi pag nag-search ka kasi, let's say Google Chrome, meron nung kasi other users, internet users or netizens or readers put ratings on websites, ano? So these ratings that is shown by stars can be found below the article of the document or image or video. Okay, let's try to open up one. Okay, I'll change my screen. Okay, so let's try to browse. Let's try to search for something. Okay, let's say Tagaytay. Ayan. Tagaytay as search natin, ha. So gaya nakita nyo, right in the middle is the search bar of Google or Google Chrome. So I type Tagaytay and then I'm going to press enter. Okay, so yan. Nakikita nyo ba? Right? Okay, so yan.
Opo.
So ito na yung results ng ating search. So dito ngayon, ayan ito, nagkaroon tayo ng mga results with ratings. Ito yung ratings na tawag, yung nakikita niyo yung mga yellow stars. Yun yung ratings. So the higher the ratings, the more accurate yung details or the information na makikita sa website na yan. Let's try to look for ito pa, Tagaytay City Hotels or Traveloka. Meron siyang 8.6 na ratings with 6,399 votes. So maraming netizens ang nag-vote sa kanya. And napakataas ang ratings niya. Meron siyang 8.6 out of 10 ratings. So kapag ganyan ang ratings, it means that the said website, which is traveloka.com, ay more reliable. Kasi it has higher ratings. It has high ratings. So masasabi natin na may basehan ang kanyang mga details or the information that can be found in traveloka.com. Right. So let's try to click this one. Kung ano makikita natin dito. So it shows us a lot of hotels yata dito. Ayan o. So it's giving us a lot of hotels na pwedeng makita sa Tagaytay City. All right. Okay, going back to our lesson, going back to our slide. So so ganun ang pagre-research and so you just have to type the keyword na gusto niyo malaman sa search bar, press enter, and then the results will automatically be shown to you by Google Chrome or by Google. Tapos para mas accurate ang mga details, hanapin niyo yung ratings. The ratings could be found below the title of the document or article or image or video. Mas mataas ang ratings, mas accurate ang details, di ba? Okay, so what time is it? 4 minutes to go. Okay, so there are times when technical problems occur while you are doing your research. Okay, if you're using a personal computers, who's using computer right now? Okay, wala. James, where is your camera? So lahat gumagamit ng device, ng gadget. So pagka personal computer ang gamit nyo, sudden electrical failure may happen. While using your gadgets like laptop, si Mateo using laptop, merong iba gumagamit iPad, tablet, or cellphone. Ang nangyayari naman dyan ay they may run out of battery charge while you are doing your research. So in case this happens, you may want to put your chosen results in your bookmark or bookmark list. And it will save you from repeating the task. So if you have done it, any technical and electrical failure will not affect. Again, kapag ginawa niyo yun, kapag ipinasok niyo sa bookmark list ang isang research ninyo, it will save time. It will save you from repeating the task na ginawa niyo nung una. So if you've done it, any technical and electrical failure will not affect your research. So information saved in the bookmark list will be seen easily when you get back to work. And it is one way of saving documents from the internet. Okay, let's try to have one. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen again. So again, this is a search bar, okay? This is a search bar. Ito rin search bar din na tawag dito. So dito sa ating Google Chrome, Sa taas, this is a search bar. This is also a search bar. Okay. So yung ginawa natin kanina, we search for, sorry. So we search for Tagaytay. Or, yeah, when Tagaytay City na. Okay, so let's say this one. No, not that one. It's Facebook pala. Okay, so let's say that we're trying to look for the details about the government of Tagaytay City. So papasukin natin yun, ano? Na-click natin yun ngayon, tagaytay.gov.ph. Now, kasi on your reading materials is quite obsolete na, no? So since yung ating book na ginagamit natin ngayon for the TLE subject is 2016 edition. Is 2016 edition. So medyo obsolete na siya. So I'll be showing you to do bookmark sa panahon ngayon kasi iba na yung way of bookmarking a page. Okay, so ito na. Nakita na natin ang page na hinahanap natin is tagaytay.gov.ph. So ito na yung search natin, ano? So para hindi natin uulitin yung ginawang task kanina, yung ginawa nating proseso ng pag-research, pwede na natin itong i-bookmark. So how to bookmark? Okay, so here in the search, so ito yung search bar, sabi ko diba ito yung search bar, yung taas na to. So ito ngayon yung search bar or the address bar din lang tawag dito. So the address bar, meron ditong star sa dulo niya. Sa dulong right niya, merong star dito. Can you see the star here? Ito sa kanan niya, di ba? So yung star na yan, you just have to click it. So nakalagay bookmark this tab. You just have to click it. Ayan. So add bookmark. Okay, so add bookmark or add to reading list. Maalin dyan. So ngayon, gagawin natin is just add bookmark. Ayan. So natanong tayo. Ayan, bookmark added. So bookmark folder, then you just have to click done. Again, ang ginawa natin, we clicked the star button or the star icon para ma-bookmark siya, then just click done. Okay, so let's say na okay na, di ba?